Namaste everyone. Wish you all a very happy and a profitable new financial year. Moving to a new financial year in Tally just takes 10 seconds. No data splitting or new company creation required. First, take a backup of your data, then load the company in Tally. From Gateway of Tally, press Alt F2. That is a shortcut to change the period. Now, change the period from previous financial year to the new financial year. That is 1st April 26 to 31st March 27. Then press enter. Now, you can see that the current period has changed from previous financial year to the new financial year. It's simple, right? Now, let us understand about voucher numbering. If you are maintaining a year-wise separate series for sales or any other voucher type, then you need to make small changes. From Gateway of Tally, go to Alter, select voucher type, and from the list of voucher types, choose the voucher type where you want to change the starting number. I have selected sales. I will set the option as yes against set or alter additional numbering details. Now, under restart numbering, I will type a new date, that is 1st April 26, and set the starting number. Similarly, under prefix details, I will mention the new financial year date and set the particulars as my required prefix. Similarly, under the suffix details, I will set the particulars as the required value, that is 2627, and save the voucher type alteration screen. Now, come back to Gateway of Tally. Let's go to vouchers. Now, you can see that, right? My starting number is 1, starts from 1 with a suffix 2627. That is financial year 2627. This process doesn't take much time and you have understood it perfectly. If you have any queries, please do call us back. Thank you.